No company today can survive unless they've actually gotten desuckified. And the only known and proven process is the official desuckification process. There are several layers that one goes through. Many people start at this particular point. They start at this sort of realization that I really suck. After a little bit of introspection and a little bit of sort of sorting things out, they might actually arrive to the slight improvement of I suck less. And then ultimately they might eventually arrive at the incredibly esteemed plateau of I no longer suck. You can actually rise up to where sucking is no longer a word people use when they actually describe. It's like, wow, oh, that guy, that gal, yep, he or she really sucks. People will no longer say that. And I think that that's the opportunity that the desuckification process has on people, their careers, their brands, and their future.